the same thing. Okay, we are going to perform the same thing on question number 2. Li Ying, you read question number 2.
In 2006, it was found that 38% of the cars purchased by Malaysians were white. If two buyers were selected at random and X represents the number of white cars buyer, state the set of X, draw a tree diagram and determine the probability distribution of X.
Probability distribution of X means you draw the diagram with the probability there. X equal to 0, what is the probability? X equal to 1, what is the probability? X equals to 2, what is the probability, right? So that is the probability distribution of X. Okay, now we are going to select two cars. Okay, we are going to select two cars, right? So the number of white car is represented by X. The number of white cars is the discrete random variable. Can you tell me, okay, okay. Now can you tell me what are the values of X? What are the values of X? You're going to select two cars. X is the number of white cars. So what can this X be? Can it be 10 white cars? Can the X be 10? No, right? So can you type inside your chat there and tell me what number can this X be? The discrete random variable X. What number can it be? Can it be 0? Can it be 1? And so on. You type. Then tell me. You select two cars. Right? Two cars. How many white cars can there be? How many white cars can there be? You type, type. So the number of white cars represented by X can be 0, can be no white car. Or when you select two cars, there can be only one white car. Or you select two cars, there are two of them are white. So this number can be 0, 1, or 2. Right. So we are going to draw the tree diagram. The first one, the first car is white, or it can be not white, non-white. Non-white can be yellow, can be blue, can be green. So you just don't put down yellow, blue, green. You just say not white. That's all. White, not white. Don't go and split the not white into green lah, blue lah, black lah. Cannot. So you just say white, non-white. Now, if the first car is white, then the second car can be white or non-white. So in this case, you will have white, white, WW. White, not white, WN. Not white, then white, NW. Not white, NN. Okay. Now the probability of white is 0.38. They say 38% of the car is white. So 0.38. Not white, you use 1 minus 0.38. It is 0.62. 0.62. So if we continue the diagram, the tree diagram, it will be 0.38 for white, 0.62 for not white. 0.38 for white, 0.62 for not white. So we count the number of white. 2 white, x equal to 2. 1 white, x equal to 1. 1 white, x equals to 1. no white, x equals to 0. So you draw the diagram, then you list out the according to the number x, x1, x2, x0, list out there. Then they will ask you, hey, what is the probability of x0? So if you want probability x0, you just follow this 062n, 062n. So you will get the probability of 0 white cars. Okay. So in order to get the probability, you just multiply it along the path here. 038, 038. So you multiply, you get the probability here. 038, 062, you get the probability here. 062, 038, you get the probability here. 062, 062, you get the probability here. So what is important here is the probability and the distribution x. Okay, the probability and the x. This is important, right? You want to know x equals to 0, what is the probability? X equals to 1, what is the probability? This is what we want to know, right? So probability of x equals to 0, this one, this case. Probability of x equals to 0 is this case. And this is the probability, right? So it's 062, 062. Now we want to find the probability of x equals to 1. Probability of x equals to 1 is these two. These two, x equals to 1 is this one and this one. So here already multiply, here already multiply. If you want x equal to 1, you have to add up these two. You have to add up. So 062, 038, which is this one. Then 038, 062, which is this one. So if you want probability of x equals to 1, you have to add up these two, and the answer is 0.4712. Okay. Last one. I want the probability of x equals to 2. This is x equal to 2. 2 means 2w. It's 038 times 038. So it's 1444. Right. Now if you want to find the total probability, you add up these three numbers 03844, 04712, 01444. You add up these three numbers, you will get 1. The total probability is 1. So this is the probability distribution table. X equal to 0, this is the probability. X equals to 1, this is the probability. X equals to 2, this is the probability. If you want to plot the graph, then the graph is like this. X equals to 1, this 0.38. X equals to 2, x equals to 0, x equals to 1, x equals to 2. Right? So this is the meaning of probability distribution. Right?